Hey guys, it's your favorite maths teacher here today, and today we're going to be looking at something called expanding brackets. Woohoo! Yay! We love expanding brackets. Okay, so expanding brackets, a little bit of algebra. It's not too hard, trust me, believe me. Well, at the end of this video, I'm sure you'll be able to expand simple brackets, and we're just going to look at single brackets today, okay? So here we go. I'm going to write down, let's say we've got 5. And we've got x plus 2. Okay, so we've got 5 plus 5 brackets x plus 2. Now the question says you have to expand the brackets. So expanding the brackets basically means getting rid of the brackets or multiplying everything that is outside of the brackets by everything that is inside of the brackets. So sometimes your teacher may explain it or may show it like this. You may show it like this. I don't know why I'm saying she. Not all maths teachers are women. Probably more of them are men. But anyway, they may put an arrow such as going from the 5 to the x, and also going from the 5 to the 2. Okay. Now that just shows that you're going to multiply the 5 by the x, and you're also going to multiply the 5 by the 2. Okay. So let's go. So if you're multiplying 5 by the x, what do you get? You basically get 5 lots of x's, or 5x. Okay. Then you multiply the 5 by the positive 2, you're going to get a positive 10. Right? So expanding this bracket, 5x plus 2, we get 5x plus 10. Yep. Okay, let's look at another example. So again, let's have 6 outside, and let's have x take away 3. Okay, we can put an arrow from there to go into the x, and an arrow from the 6 going to the 3. Okay, now we do the 6 times the x. What 6 times x is going to give us, guys? It's going to give us 6x. And we do the 6 times the negative 3, and that's going to give us a negative 18. Beautiful. Okay, that's another one bites the dust. Dun, dun, dun. Another one bites the dust. Let's do another one. Now it's not always going to be x. They may give you another letter like y. So let's do 4y plus 5. Let's see what that's going to give us. So we do the 4 times the y, and we do the 4 times the positive 5. So 4 times y is going to give us 4y. 4y, do we do it? And 4 times the positive 5 is going to give us a positive 20. And that's it. That is it. Finished again. That's another example done for you. Also, the x may not necessarily be there. It may be there. Let's see an example where they put the x somewhere else. So let's have, for example, let's have 2 brackets 3 take away x. So we do the 2 times the 3 and the 2 times the negative x. Okay. So I'm going to write it down below what we're going to get. Actually, I may be able to squeeze it on the side. Where am I? So equals. So 2 times the 3 is going to give us 6. And 2 times the negative x is going to give us negative 2x. Okay. So it may also look like that. Let's look at another example. So let's have 3 outside. Let's have 5 plus x. Okay. So again, do little arrows. You can do your arrows to kind of help you out, like what you're multiplying what by. So 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. And 3 times the plus x is going to give us plus 3x. Okay? Lovely. So those are a few examples done, as you can see, guys. It's not really hard at all. I'm going to go over a common mistake that a lot of people make. So a common mistake that a lot of people make, again, for example, you've got your So you've got your let's say 2x plus 6 in the brackets. So we've got 2 brackets x plus 6 in the brackets. Okay, a lot of people, what they do is they think that we sometimes add. So they think that we add the 2 and the x. So some people think that 2 plus x will give you they sometimes think that 2 plus x will give you 2x. That is wrong. 2 plus x does not give you 2x. 2 plus x gives you 2 plus x. It doesn't give you 2x. Now 2 times x will give you 2x. Okay, so that's what some people do. They sometimes think that we're adding, so therefore they say that 2 plus x gives you 2x, and they say 2 plus 6 gives you 8. That's what some people do, but I'm just telling you now that it is totally wrong. It is totally wrong. Okay, so we are always multiplying. We are always multiplying. We are not adding. We are always multiplying. Okay, so let me just write down here again. So 2 x plus 6 in the brackets will give you 2x plus 12. Because why? Because you are multiplying. You are multiplying. You are not adding, you are multiplying. Okay, so anyway guys, that's expanding single brackets for you. Maybe next time we're going to be doing expanding double brackets. Okay, so anyway guys, thank you for tuning into Paul Maths Lab today, and hope to see you guys later.